Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 20, that is clauses. So, let's begin with this lesson. Here, what are clauses? A clause is a group of related words containing a subject and a verb. ये क्या होता है? Group of related words होते हैं जिनमें क्या होता है? एक subject होता है और एक verb होती है. A sentence may have one or more clauses. एक sentence में एक या उससे ज़्यादा clauses होते हैं. So, a sentence that consists of only one clause is called simple sentence. एक sentence जिसमें खाली एक ही clause होता है, that is known as the simple sentence. You have to read the simple sentences like Priya opened the door for Miss Julie. Open क्या है? एक single clause है. All the children stood up. Stood is the clause. Miss Julie went to her chair. It is a went is the clause. She called out the names of one by one. Called out is the clause. Everyone answered except John. Answer is the clause. Where was John? It is the was the clause. John stayed at home today. He had a cold. So was, stayed, and had is a clause. Some clauses will make sense on their own. कुछ clauses अपने आप में ही sense बनाते हैं. उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Independent clause या फिर main clauses कहते हैं. So other clauses are called dependent clauses. कुछ दूसरे clauses को हम dependent clauses कहते हैं because they do not make sense on their own. क्योंकि वो खुद से sense नहीं बनाते. They begin with a word like because, when, until, if, until, while, so, that. वो किससे begin होता है? Because से, when से, until से, if, while, so, that से, etc. Dependent clause क्या होते हैं? आपके subordinate clause भी होते हैं. उन्हें हम subordinate clause भी कहते हैं. For example, the boys went home when the game was over. When the game was over, क्या आपका subordinate clause हो गया. Above sentence has two parts. दो parts हो गए. The boys went home and when the game was over, एक में reason आ गया. The boys went home. This is the complete sentence and has it has a main clause और उसमें एक main clause भी है. When का क्या? वो आपका मेन कॉज हो गया. द इटैलिस्टिक पार्ट जो है आपको व्हेन द गेम वाज ओवर, ये क्या है आपका करेक्ट साउंड नहीं कर, डज नॉट साउंड कंप्लीट. आई डज डिपेंड ऑन द अदर पार्ट. वो दूसरे पार्ट पे डिपेंड करता है कि द बॉयज वेंट होम पे डिपेंड करता है मेन क्लॉज पे. द इटैलिसाइज्ड पार्ट इज द डिपेंडेंट. तो इटैलिसाइज्ड पार्ट आपका हो गया है आपका व्हेन द गेम वाज ओवर, वो आपका डिपेंडेंट है और ये आपका द बॉयज वेंट होम आपका इंडिपेंडेंट है. So study the following sentence. Main clause क्या हो गया? We keep food in the fridge. Subordinate क्या हो जाएगा? Dependent क्या हो जाएगा? So that it will not go bad. We admire a man who is always generous. So ये इस पे जो आपका subordinate है वो इस पे depend कर रहा है main clause पे पूरे complete meaning के लिए. Raj polished the shoes until they gleamed. My friend helped me when I was in trouble. He was late because he missed the bus. Now, kinds of subordinate clauses. Subordinate clauses are of three kinds: adverb clause, adjective clause, and noun clause. Three types के होता है: adverb, adjective, and noun. So, adverb clause क्या होता है? Some dependent और subordinate clause do the same work as adverb. So, dependent और subordinate clause होते हैं वो same work करते हैं dependent की तरह. Same work. जो आपके डिपेंडेंट और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज होता है वो सेम वर्क करते हैं आपके एडवर्ब की तरह. उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? एडवर्ब क्लॉज कहते हैं या फिर एडवर्बियल क्लॉजेस कहते हैं. दे गिव मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द वर्ब्स इन द मेन और इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस. ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन देते हैं वर्ब के बारे में, मेन के बारे में या फिर इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज के बारे में. एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस आंसर द क्वेश्चन व्हेन, वेयर, व्हाई और हाउ. ये इनको आंसर करते हैं इन क्वेश्चंस को. सो रीड द वर्ब्स क्लॉजेस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. Adverb clauses are given in italics. Adverb clause जो है वो आपके italics में और जो है आपके verb clause है. So the girl screamed when she saw a cockroach. He worked hard so that he could achieve success. You may watch TV after you have finished the homework. So here, let's talk about adjective clause now. Before that, adverbial clauses can begin with a when. ये किससे begin होता है? When से begin होता है. Until, after, before, where, because, since, while, it's, if or as. Now adjective clause. Some dependent clauses can be used like adjective to describe a person or thing. कुछ आपके dependent clauses किसकी तरह यूज होता है? एडजेक्टिव की तरह यूज होता है डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए किसी पर्सन को या फिर थिंग को. दे आर कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव क्लॉजेस और एडजेक्टिवल क्लॉजेस. उन्हें हम एडजेक्टिव क्लॉजेस कहते हैं या फिर एडजेक्टिवल क्लॉजेस कहते हैं. Adjective clauses answer the question which. किसको answer करता है? Which को answer करता है? What को? Regarding people or things. Now read the adjective clauses in the following sentences. Adjective clauses are given in italics. So italics means this is the girl who talked to me yesterday. I lost the pen which you lent me. She gave me everything that I asked for. Where is the boy whom you punished? The person who works hard will say always succeed. This is the fruit which caused Snow White to die. So adjective clauses often begin with who, which, that, whose. ये उससे begin होता है. So we use who, whose and that in adjective clauses. here हम adjective clauses में use करते हैं about people. We use which, whose and that in adjective clause about animals, things and places. ये हम which और whose और that को use करता है adjectival clauses में animals, things और places के बारे में बात करने जब हम बात करते हैं. Now noun clauses. Some dependent clauses do the work of a noun. को dependent clauses किसका work करते हैं? Noun का work करते हैं. They are called noun clauses. उन्हें हम noun clauses कहते हैं. A noun clause may have a subject. इसमें subject होता है वो usually एक finite verb भी होती है. It can become before the main verb. ये main verb से पहले भी आ सकता है और after the verb भी आ सकता है. main verb के बाद भी आ सकता है. Noun clauses answer the question what. What को answer करते हैं in relation to the verb. With the noun clauses the following sentences. Noun clauses are given in italics. What italics होंगे noun clauses? Like she is sure that she will pass. This is the noun clause. We know that the earth is round. That is the earth is round is a noun clause. I can remember where I left my book. This is a noun clause. All the italics one are the noun clause. A noun clause can also help to make the meaning clear by telling which one we mean. Meaning हमारा clear भी कर देते हैं कि किससे हम mean करते हैं ये बता के. Ritu, the girl who lives down the road likes to dance. This is the opposition. Noun clause in opposition explain the previous noun. Noun clause जो opposition होता है वो क्या करता है? Express करता है आपके पुराने वाले मतलब previous noun को. So you have to note some points in your mind. A noun clause can be the subject of the verb. वो subject भी हो सकता है verb का like what you told me was not true. A noun clause can be the object of a verb. वो object भी हो सकता है. Show me how you did that sum. A noun clause can be the complement of a verb. वो complement भी हो सकता है एक verb का like the problem is that I have lost it. A noun clause can be the object of a preposition. वो object भी हो सकता है एक preposition का like pay attention to what the teacher is saying. So now coordinate clauses. The conjunctions and, but or can be used to link two sentences together. ये किस भी use होता है? Two sentences को link करने के लिए एक साथ. So as to form one sentence. The two sentences that are joined together by these conjunctions are coordinate clauses. जो two sentences join होते हैं एक साथ उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Coordinate clauses कहते हैं. They are both main clauses. वो क्या होता है? दोनों main clauses होते हैं. They have equal status. उनका equal status भी होता है. So read the following sentences with coordinate clauses. So coordinate main clause conjunction of coordinate main clause here. Coordinate main clause क्या? Ravi is studying and Priya is practicing piano. ये क्या आपने conjunction जो join करिए दो coordinate main clauses को. We invited Priya and Priya to the party. We invited Priya but they could not come. And Priya to the party. We invited Priyanka and Priya to the party but they could not come. So ये क्या है? ये दोनों आपके coordinate main clause और ये आपके conjunctions है. Perhaps he missed the train or perhaps the train is late. John likes maths but Mary prefers English. So ये आपके दो clause हैं. Coordinate clause main clause है. ये आपको conjunction जो है join कर रहे हैं उन्हें. Now while using coordinate conjunctions, you can omit the subject. आप omit कर सकते हो subject को in the second clause if it is the same or both clauses अगर वो same है या फिर दोनों clauses है. She picked up the phone and she began to cry. She picked up the phone and began to cry. I wanted to turn the lights off but I could not find the switch. I wanted to turn the lights off but could not find the switch. In the morning, Mayank goes jogging or he works out in the gym. In the morning, Mayank goes jogging or works out in the gym. So हमने क्या करा है? coordinate conjunctions को omit कर दिए. We have omitted the subject in the second clause. Second में से हमने subject को omit कर दिया है. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class.